Today we're going to continue talking about the letter L. L says oh, ooh, like in lion, lemon, ladybug. So here is the capital letter L. When we make our capital letter L, we start at the top line, we go all the way down to the bottom line, and then we go over on the bottom line. So it says color it blue. So you're going to need your blue marker, crayon, colored pencil, whatever you want to use. I'm going to color it blue. Blue is B-L-U-E, blue. There's this color the picture. So you can color your ladybug any colors you want. I'm going to color mine like a reddish pink. So right now in Wisconsin, we're having a bunch of what look like ladybugs flying around. However, they are not ladybugs. They are some kind of beetle. But they look very similar to a ladybug. So there's my ladybug. Okay, the next part says circle it. So you're going to find those L's. So right now I want you to find all of the L's. Remember, just because the style is different doesn't mean they're not L's. So look for the same. It goes down and it goes over. Okay, try finding those. Okay, have you found them all? If you haven't, pause. Okay, here are all the L's. The first one's an L. Second one is a B, so we didn't circle it. Then we have A, and then we have another L. Bottom row, we have A. There's another L. We have S, and then we have L. This one is still an L, even though it's puffy. It's a puffy letter L, just like up here. Okay, then the next part, we're going to be tracing those L's. We start at the top solid line, go all the way down to the other solid line, and then we go over. Go to the top, go down to the bottom, and then over. And when we write, when we're writing our L's, we're going from the left to the right. Just like when we read, it goes from left to right. Because if we go this way, it's not going to work. It wouldn't be a letter. Okay, then over here, we're going to connect them. So you're going to be tracing that swervy line, staying with the line. Don't go too fast. And then on the bottom one, we're going to do the zigzag. Zigzags have points, the other ones have curves. These ones have points on the bottoms, and they also have points on the tops. Then the last part, it says circle or dot the letter L. So I'm just going to use a crayon this time. Again, if you have a dotter, you can use it. So we have the letter A, so we're not doing anything with that. Then we have L, yeah, L. So we're going to circle that, colored in. Then we have another L right next to it. What letter is this? It's a T, so we're not going to color it in. Then we have another L letter, S. We're not going to color it in. Oop, there's another L, so we're going to color that in. Okay, then we have F, and then we have another A. On the back of this sheet is the lowercase L's. So the lowercase L sometimes is mistaken for a capital I because depending on the font or the way someone writes it, it looks a little different. This is a lowercase L is just a line down. It also looks like a number 1. When we make our L, you go from the top line straight down to the bottom line. It says color it pink. So we're going to color it pink. If you don't have a pink, red works as well. Because pink is just white and red mixed together. Okay, and then we're going to color the leaf. I'm going to color mine green. Leaf. Leaf. Starts with an L. Makes the O sound. Leaf. leaf. Here's my leaf. Okay, and then the next part we're going to be looking at for the letter L, the lowercase letter L. From the top, go straight down. The first one, oh, yep, that's an L. I'm going to circle it. Then we have an A. We're not going to circle that. And then we have L again, so we're going to circle that. Okay, and then we have tiny E. Then we have a little bigger E. They're still lowercase though. Both of these are lowercase e's. Even though this one is a lot smaller, it's still a lowercase e. So capital E looks differently. Okay, then we have an L. So I'm going to circle it. Then we have F. And then we still have an L. Again, even though it's poofy, just like this one, it's still an L. Then we're going to go down here. Solid line to bottom line. And trace. Solid line to bottom line. Solid top line to bottom line. Solid top line to bottom line. Solid top line to bottom line. That's L. So sometimes people write a straight line down for capital I, but most of the time there will be lines on the top and bottom. However, you do need to be aware of that. Okay, then we're going to trace those curvy lines, curve up, curve down, curve up, curve down, staying on the line. And then we have a zigzag. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up. Okay, and then on the bottom, we're going to be looking for those L's again. So the first one, yeah, that's an L. So we're going to color it. Then we have a S, so we're not going to color that. Then we have a L, yep, so we're going to color that. Okay, then we have a, makes the F sound, F, yes. Then we have a L, so we're going to color it. We have a C, then we have a L. And then we have a B. Okay, good job. Kiss your brain. Have a wonderful day.